Let's take a look at some of the ways that you can customize your own free fact checker. So the first thing to notice is you can always expand and collapse these buttons, and it remembers it over time. So if you don't want those buttons available all the time, just go ahead and collapse them, and then whenever you want to use them, expand them. Right now, it's showing you kind of 4 buttons by default, but you can turn off any of the buttons you don't want just by clicking on the tool in the side panel, unchecking Add Button, and then saving it. So here I can get rid of all the other buttons aside from the fact checker if I don't want anything aside from the fact checker. And then customizing the fact checker itself, like click on the fact checker tool and we can see the exact instructions that are being used. And I can change these if I want to. So for instance, I can say always return my results in Spanish. And now when I select some text and I say run, then my results will be in Spanish. So you can configure it to be kind of work how you want it to work. And then the other things you can do are primarily around styling. So you can change the background of the button, the text, the image. Here, if you put, I can like clear out this image and then it will automatically just use the first letter of the name, but I can also put in an emoji if I want to. So let me copy the check mark emoji and put that in there, and then it will use that on the button. But if you upload your own picture, like here I can upload a photo, it'll use that instead. So you can customize it. And then the other thing you can do is if there are only certain sites that you want the fact checker to appear on, then it will only appear on that site. So for instance, here we are on Blue Sky. So I'm going to say I only want this button to appear on Blue Sky. I'm going to hit update. So now when I go to some other website, that button is gone. It's only going to appear on Blue Sky. So that's all the different ways that you can customize your own free fact checker. If you have any questions or any problems, give us a holler on our user community. Thanks.